G'day champions. I missed a few days because I had a cold and no one wanted to hear my snotty, sneezy self, so I'm going to have to do the next few days 2 beverage reviews in a row. So here's the Dry July non-alcoholic beverage review. Catch up. We're going to do, not catch up, we're going to do 2 drinks. First one, we've got Strange Love low-cal solder? Freudian slip. Low-cal soda, lime and jalapeno. And the second one is Beneficial Beer Co. Stone Cold Lager. And to refresh my memory there. So the links are below for you to donate. 20 bucks, 10 bucks, 5 bucks, whatever. Whatever you can afford. Oh, there's bits in the bottom. I better stir them up. Try not to spill it on myself. So there's a couple of little floaties in there. But lime and jalapeno. It's either going to be fantastic or it's going to be terrible. You see there's some little floaties in there. Probably shouldn't pour it all in case it sucks. It smells like lemonade. I'm not getting the jalapeno. Look, I like it because it's not, oh, the bubbles will make my eyes water. It's not as stupid sweet as most. I'll take that back. It's got 12 grams of sugar. Oh, no, I can feel a jalapeno now. It takes you a couple of breaths after drinking it and you can feel a little bit of heat in the back of your throat. That's really nice, actually. It's a little bit like, was it Bloody Mary where they put Tabasco in it or whatever? So it's cold and refreshing, but it's got this chili in the back of it. That's really nice. I love Mexican food. Anything chili-ish with lime chili. Oh, I love it. Well, you know, that's Thai food as well. Lots of lime, lots of chili. But yeah, I'll probably give that one a... That'd be fantastic in summer for all you blokes in the States. Although, I don't know where you'd be able to get it over there because it is made in Australia. Made in Carlton North. But that's really nice. That'd be fantastic in summer. I'll have to seek that out in the warmer months. So, yeah, let's get the 6.5, 7 out of 10. That's pretty, for what it is, that's really good. It's a shame it's got so much sugar in it, but tis what tis. Alright, so let's crack this one. Beneficial Beer Co. Stone Cold Lager. Only 62 calories. Everyone was saying that you notice losing weight when you don't drink beer. Well, yeah, maybe not. Maybe if I had time to exercise. Alright, so it's slightly pale. Slight haze to it. Maybe that's just my imagination, but it's not a pale ale, but it does have a slight haze to it. Plenty of carbonation, but the carbonation looks like it's not really going to hold for long. Now this is the one I tried last year at the pizza shop and I was a pretty big fan of it. It's very malty for a lager and it's got less of that non-alcoholic tang that the other ones have. I didn't actually lose my smell the whole time I had a cold, so that was good. My smell and taste stayed there the whole time. But it's light. It's a lager. It's not alcoholic, but that's not bad. It's got a good mouthfeel. Getting the ones with a good mouthfeel is difficult, and that one's not too shabby. So I bought this. Well, what did I buy? I bought some other beers. I'll run you through them next episode. But I went to the bottle shop and bought something to tide me over. I think it was these ones. And the chick behind the counter said, "Oh, someone bought the Heaps Normal XPA the other week, and they brought it back furious. And they said it tastes terrible. And they wanted their money back." And I said, "Do they know it's not alcoholic?" And she said, "I don't know. I think he just bought it thinking it was normal beer. And, well, of course, it's going to taste different, but we're going to try that one in the next couple of days too. I've got a few. The ones where we've got double up, when mum and dad are in town, we might get them to have a taste and see what they reckon as well. So I'm going to leave it there, champions. My chicken wings just finished cooking, so there goes any potential weight loss from not drinking beer. So I'll see you tomorrow with another 2. So remember the links below. We're at 1600, I think, which is fantastic considering I set the target at 1 grand. So anything over here is just a bonus. So jump on the link, give us a couple of bucks, and I'll give you a shout out. Thank you very much. Legends.